trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You left fast life. You left.
Hi guys, okay, so this is the wig from Hairvivi, and just like any of the other wigs, the wig came pre-plucked, it came pre-bleached, and it came pre-styled as well. And I think I'm gonna go for a glueless wig install today. I feel like this wig is definitely going to be very easy for me to install, which means it is beginner friendly because I can see I don't have to glue it down. So the wig comes with some adjustable straps on the inside of the wig. It comes with an adjustable elastic band. So with those two things in place, I definitely do not need to glue this wig down. With this wig, I'm going to show you how you can style the wig in different ways. You can style this as a middle part, a side part, or a deep side part. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off the excess lace, and then we can go from there. So you can see this is what the hairline looks like. As usual, the wig came with a very natural pre-plucked hairline. So now I'm gonna go ahead and style the wig. You don't need to glue this wig down, one, because of the bangs anyway, so that's gonna cover up the lace. No one's gonna see the lace. And away from that, the wig fits very secure on my head. Like, this is not going anywhere, it's not moving, because like I said, it comes with some straps on the inside of the wig, and it also comes with an adjustable elastic band. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just spray my bedhead hairspray. I'm mostly spraying the hairspray on the sides.
Trust the stars above to let us know how to go. We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me.
And of course it's a 13 by 6, so you know what that means. The parting goes all the way to the back.
If it's faith, you'll find me, leaving the past behind. Going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time?
So now I'm going to take off my melt band, and then we can go ahead and style the rest of the hair.
Second chances, empty-handed. You like fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go?
You guys can see they've literally cut the bangs perfectly. You do not need to worry about trying to cut the bangs or like trying to make it frame your face or anything like that. It's been cut exactly how it needs to be.
I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust?
So now once you get to the bangs, you're gonna bump the hair, but you want to bump it away from your face, if that makes sense. But bump it away from your face like so.
The stars above to let us know.
So I'm done with this side. I'm now gonna go ahead and just get on with this side, and then yeah.
I'd go. We only got this life, no guarantee. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed.
And the hair quality as well, the hair feels amazing. Like, it feels really soft, it's really bouncy, it holds curls. What more could you ask for? Like, this hair, this wig is just lush. It's giving.
I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars about to let us know? I'd go, but we're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by.
And then for the bangs on this side, we're gonna do the same thing by literally bumping the hair, but bumping it away from our face.
Losing balance. What if we run out of time?
Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and just brush out the curls, and this is the first style done as a middle part.
Second chances, empty-handed. You left fast life.
And what you want to do to give the hair a bit more body, I'm just going to grab my hairspray. Honestly, you can do so much with your hairspray. Grab my hairspray and just spray the hair, like spray the top of the hair like so. My hot comb, and then I'm going to use the back of the hot comb and just hold this up. This is going to help to give it like a higher, I don't know if you guys can see that.
You like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel.
Ooh, this is so lush. This is really nice.
Feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me. You got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you.
So yeah, you guys, let me know what you think. I think this wig is so lush. Honestly, this hairstyle just screams, I don't know, it's just giving elegance. It's just giving, I tried without trying. I really like the bangs, and I like the fact that they've done all the work for you, so you really don't need to worry about cutting your bangs or like trying to make sure you have the right length to frame your face and stuff like that. Like, this is so lush.
Going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time?
Okay, so now I'm gonna change this to a side part.
Second chances, empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. We only got this life, no guarantees and stars.
So this is what it looks like as a side part. You guys let me know which one you prefer. I feel like I prefer the middle part. I'm just a middle part girl anyway, so I feel like if I was to have this as a side part, I would go in and just add a bit more layers on the side here.
And follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. I didn't by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind.
Okay, so this is the second look, and I really like the fact that you can wear this wig in different styles. You can wear it as a middle part, you can wear it as a side part, which I've shown you guys today. So you guys let me know what you think. I feel like this wig is definitely giving clean girl aesthetics. It's giving I tried without trying, and I love the fact that the bangs were already cut in the wig, so you don't have to worry about cutting the bangs yourself. So yeah,
going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by.
and that brings me to the end of this video. You guys let me know what you think of this wig. I am definitely loving the bangs on the wig, so I'll make sure to list all the details and the links that you guys need in the description box below. I'm not exactly sure what length this wig is, but I'll make sure to list everything in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.